Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Kia Forte turn signal bulb. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a new 1157 amber bulb and a flathead screwdriver. Before starting, ensure your Kia Forte is completely turned off and the parking brake is engaged for your safety. Then, open the hood to gain access to the headlight assembly, which houses the turn signal. Next, you'll need to locate the two 10mm bolts that secure the entire headlight assembly in place. Use a socket wrench to carefully remove these bolts. Once both bolts are out, gently pull the headlight assembly straight forward. It should unclip from its mounting points with a little effort, allowing you much better access to the turn signal bulb housing. Now, with the headlight assembly pulled forward, you can easily access the turn signal bulb socket. Twist the socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it, then pull it straight out from the assembly. The old 1157 bulb simply pulls straight out from the socket. Insert your new 1157 amber bulb firmly into the socket until it clicks into place. Finally, reinsert the bulb socket into the headlight assembly and twist it clockwise to lock it securely in place. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its mounting clips until it's flush with the vehicle's body. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts and tighten them securely. Turn on your Kia Forte and test the new turn signal bulb to ensure it's working properly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.